Are you ready to unleash the full potential of your data with the latest Qlik Sense features? First, head over to the Qlik website and download the latest version of Qlik Sense. Make sure to download the correct version compatible with your current system before you start the upgrade. And this is super important, back up your entire Qlik Sense environment. This includes your apps, extensions, and configurations. This safety net will save you from potential data loss in case something goes wrong during the upgrade. Next, stop all Qlik Sense services running on your server. This ensures that no files are in use during the upgrade process, which could lead to errors. You can do this through the Windows Services Manager. Now, run the downloaded Qlik Sense installer. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. It will guide you through the upgrade process. You'll need to accept a license agreement and provide your Qlik Sense license key unprompted. Once the installation is complete, restart all Qlik Sense services. This will bring your upgraded system back online. Finally, log into the Qlik Sense Management Console to verify that the upgrade was successful. Check the system overview to ensure all services are running correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded Qlik Sense. Now you can enjoy all the new features, performance improvements, and security updates. Don't forget to check out the Qlik Sense documentation for details on new features and functionalities.